If you learn the wrong skills in 2026, your job is at risk.
But these 5 AI tools can put you ahead of 90% of professionals. Watch till the end for a pro tip employers won't tell you.
ChatGPT is your AI brain. Writing, coding, thinking, planning.
Gemini understands text, images, and documents together. Claude is best for deep thinking and long documents.
Microsoft Copilot works inside Word, Excel, and your emails. N8N, or Zapier, automates your job end to end.
Here is the smartest way to stay job safe in 2026.
Master one tool from each category to cover 80% of real-world tasks employers care about.
You don't need to learn everything. Learn the right things and follow for more AI career insights.